What's up, everybody? It's your boy Deadpool1236, and I'm back with another unboxing. And you're probably wondering, Deadpool, what's that you're leaning on? This? Well, yeah, this is an Apple Watch. That's right, it's an Apple Watch, but sadly it's not mine, it's my friend's, Guillermo. He let me borrow it, shout out to him. Thank you. Appreciate it. So yeah, let's get this unboxing done. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna take a look around the box, see what's around in this surrounding. So on the top here it just says Apple Watch. So there's the Apple sign and it says watch. Then on the bottom here it just has a little image of the Apple Watch itself. Then it says Apple Watch and it tells you the size, it's a 42mm case. Then it has a classic buckle. And on the back is just plain, it just tells you a bunch of information and all that, and the copyright stuff. So yeah, now let's get to opening it. Alright, so here goes nothing. I got my handy dandy scissors. So I'm about to open this. Let's see, maybe I shouldn't use the scissors. Just kidding, I'm not gonna use them. I just rip it off right here. So let me just open this. Okay. And it should just slide right out. Alright. So there's the box. It has a nice sleek finish right here. Alright, now let me open it really quick. And let's take a look at the content inside. Wow, this box is pretty hard, as you guys can tell. But yeah, let's look at the content inside. Apple Watches, most likely. It's a hard case to protect it. So I'll set that aside and we'll look at it later. Let's look at the stuff inside. So the first thing I pull out from here is a bunch of manuals. So it has the Apple Watch thing right there. Here it shows you the interface of when the actual clock is there, and it shows you all that. And then right here it just tells you the controls. This is the home button, the turn off and zoom. Press to hold for Siri. And it has the side button, that one's used to press and hold to turn on and off, double tap click for Apple Pay, and to hide friends, and other content such as that. Then on this side it just shows you how to use the magnetic charger that's included inside the box. And here it just shows you how to use the buckle, like to put on the actual watch and how to put on the different buckles. Then on this side it just shows you more interfaces, such as the faces, the apps, the activity, and the friends. And I'll explain more of that later. Then let's look at this side. So on this first page it just shows you more stuff like the notifications, the glance, the Apple Pay, and the Force Touch. Now on this side it just shows you more faces. I think it's the same one as the other side. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Then here's a bunch of more papers. Yeah, we need to take a look at the apps. Put that to the side. Then here's the standard cube for the chargers, which is really cool how they do that. You can just use any cube that you had from past iPhones. You have one. And you have So here's the watch itself. At first glance, this watch is beautiful. Like, look at it. Look at this nice leather finish. And it's kind of like suede a little bit. And let's take this suede thing, this holder, and then we just open it up. So I took that off there. These guys could see this watch is just beautiful all the way around. So here's a little thingy to make it turn, to change the time and all that. The power button to activate Siri. And then the back has all that stuff. Let me just take this one more thing off. Alright, so I took that off, now it's opened up. Now let me just put it on really quick. I'm leaning it onto here. Alright. So there it is, it's on now. So this actually feels quite nice. It kind of feels like my watch that I own myself. If only I had it here with me. But yeah, let me just go get that and then I'll compare it to the size. Here's the comparison that I have with my watch that I have myself. This one is a Kenneth Cole watch I got a while back, probably like 5 years ago. But yeah, it's a pretty good size. Now let me just put it on so you guys can see like the exact size. So let me just set it on here. So yeah, see, it's about the same size, a little bit smaller, but it's quite comfortable. So yeah, let's see if this will turn on. Let's see. So there it is, the Apple Watch on. Some of this might take a while to turn on, so we'll get back once it's on. Apple Watch turned on. So let me set it up really quick. English. And it says, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start by pairing. So I'm pair it really quick. Alright, so I got the Apple Watch thing set up. I put start pairing. Start pairing. That's crazy. Oh shit. That's pretty cool. Dang. Let's set it up. Oh dang. Let's see, left. You always gotta wear your watch on the left if you're going. Not saying anything, you know, no offense if anybody, if they wear it on the right side. So yeah, I'm just gonna agree with the terms. So I can get this really quick and let me just enter my password. There you go, I got my password in. Alright, so now it's just telling me to create a passcode, so let me just create one really quick. Alright, so I got it done here. Now we'll just install all the apps. So this might take a while to install. Let's see how long it takes. If it takes more than a minute or two, then I'll pause it and then just let it download. Alright, so it just got done syncing. You guys can see the interface right there for the watch, and then it says Apple Watch is ready. So I'll press OK. Then it just tells you all the app layouts and all that. See, that's how the apps look. Explore. There's a bunch of cool stuff right here. Less blue. The Mickey customization. Whoa. There's just a bunch of videos. And it shows you the brightness, the text, the Apple Watch. It tells you, so you can unpair it. And the passcode. The privacy, and then it's just telling me to enter the passcode, so let me just do that because I know you guys want to see the Apple Watch, not my phone. So yeah, let me put my password really quick. I don't care if you guys see it. So yeah, there it is. There's the interface. There we go. There's no upcoming events. Set up here, activity. And right there it says 7:57. Is it really 7:57? Yeah, it's 7:57. Oh shit. Stand up for at least 1 minute of every hour. Move. Hit your personal calorie burn goal by moving more. Exercise. Accumulate 30 minutes of activity for above brisk walks. Stand, move, exercise. Try to complete the rings every day. Get started. And just for setting up everything, you enter your sex, your age. Let's see. I'll just put a random one. And my height, of course, more than 6'4", more than 6'1". And my weight, 175. Okay. And
male, and age. Set it up. The buttons are so small, it's kind of awkward doing this. 1996. And then 17, and I put April. There it is. There's that. Continue. And then my activity. I do a lot of activity. I'm always at the gym. Whatever. Just press start moving. And then it just tells you all your goals there. And that. And it just tells you all your stuff. See what this button does. Okay, so here are all the apps you have on here. There's the running app, activity app, the watch, camera. Is that a camera? Let's see. Click on it. Oh. Oh, so it's connecting to the camera for my phone. So, see, you can see the image from my phone on the actual watch. So you can see me right there. So yeah, you can take pictures. Oh, and the Apple Watch actually vibrates when you press the camera button. Then you can actually set a timer and all that. So let's go back to the apps and see what else is there. There's the phone to make phone calls. Camera roll. Oh. Huh. Did you guys see that? Is it black or is it blue? I mean, is it green? What was it? No, if it's a blue dress or a gold dress. There we go. Sorry. I'm a little off right now. Then here's a little thing. I'm not exactly sure how to set up the different things, but that's just your standard one. So yeah guys, that concludes my unboxing of the Apple Watch. Shout out to my friend Guillermo for letting me do this video again. So yeah, peace guys.
Alright guys, so I already said that was the conclusion of my video, but I just wanted to give another big thank you to Guillermo. Without him providing this Apple Watch here, I wouldn't be able to make this video. So yeah, here's a close image of it. And I didn't do a close image for you guys. So yeah, there's the back side. Has a nice stainless steel finish. And yeah. So yeah, big thank you. And then I'm gonna enjoy this thing while it lasts. I probably won't have it till like later tonight, maybe when he gets back from the gym. But yeah, later on guys, peace.